Gen 1 Camaro in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Hugger orange, white stripe, black interior. Has had a repaint along the line somewhere. Also has had some restoration work done to it. You can see the headlights, for one, being a more modern, more high intensity discharge headlight. Paint does show its age a little bit, so I don't think the restoration work was just real recently. I'll kind of point some things out as I go around this. But as you can see, I mean, it does have a nice shine to it. Show well at your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, local shows. Now, the cool thing about this one is underneath the hood, 6-liter V8 has been installed underneath there, paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, also power steering, power brakes. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay, check out the underside, interior, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too. Got any questions? 507-386-1726. Now you see some Z28 badging on this. Not representing this as a Z28 due to the cowl tag, and nothing on there that would lead us to believe this is a Z28. So, Z28 tribute. Let's leave it at that. Rally wheels, beauty rings, center caps, BF Goodrich radials. Did notice it pulling it around, you get a little bit of tire rub on the inner fenders when I cranked it real sharp. Now, as far as the paint on this, if I can get it to show up, I mean, there's a few spots where you can see a little bit of touch up right up on the edge of the hood. Get a few spots like this where you can see a little touch up if I can get it to show up. Like I said, just a little older paint to it. There's maybe a place here and there where you get a little bit of discolor, but again, does have a shine to it. Take a look up on the roof here. It's tough to get it to show up, some of these lights reflecting off it, because there is shine to it, but almost like just a light haze up there, if you can see it on the paint. It's one of those, you step back 5-10 feet, looks awful good. Want to give you a perspective of the paint. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The gentleman that brought this to us in consignment and considered the condition as far as the paint, what have you, when the car was priced. So if this was perfect, brand new paint out of the booth, all 100% redone, obviously it's going to be thousands and thousands more than it's listed for. Want a fun one to get in and drive? Here you go with that 6.0 underneath the hood. Again, still pictures if you want to check out that 6.0. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Played around with some of the accessories on the interior. Radio does work, has kind of an aftermarket retro sound style radio. Also, wipers are working. This would have been an original bucket seat car with center console, horseshoe shifter, little aftermarket tack on the steering column. Check out the carpeting, the vinyl. Vinyl seats pretty much look like they're free of rips, tears, holes. Seat belt still intact. Headliner on this one look fine if I remember right. Sorry about the glare, kind of tough keeping that out of there. Dash pad does show a little bit of wear, kind of peeling a tad. Alright, let's fire this up, let you hear it. Ooh, 6 liters sounds good. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. As you can see, tachometer works. There's an aftermarket stereo. That does work also. Hear that 6.0. console first, though. All right. Little cam to that. Nice low idle. Deep throaty sound coming out of that 6.0. Nice rumble. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop that hood so we can check out the engine running with the hood pop and see how it looks underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here we go. So you can see power brakes. We got a new master cylinder. Looks like proportioning valve booster. Power steering. Edelbrock LS1 timing control module by MSD. Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carburetor, if you can see underneath there. See how smooth that runs. Cowl induction hood. Headers. Electric fan with her shroud. It's nicely set up underneath there. And again, smooth runner. Nice low Dolby idle. You can definitely tell that's not a 350 or 327 stuck underneath there. There you go. Gen 1 Camaro, 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.